Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the basics are done so the deep fix works. Update iOS and carrier settings, because firmware mismatches break registration. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds and watch the radio reset. That often reestablishes tower registration. Next, power off and reseat the SIM. A loose or corroded SIM causes no service. Do this now. It clears simple hardware and software glitches before moving to a full restore. Now perform targeted resets and diagnostics that expose the real cause. Reset network settings to wipe cellular, Wi-Fi, and VPN profiles. This removes corrupt APN or registration data that blocks service. Make sure your IMEI is present and valid, because carriers reject devices without proper identifiers. If you have a colleague's SIM or a known good test SIM, insert it to verify whether the issue is your carrier account or as the only reliable final fix. Back up your data and perform a DFU restore using Finder or iTunes. DFU reloads the modem firmware and iOS cleanly, resolving deep software or baseband corruption that causes no service. Once complete, set up, reinsert the SIM, and accept any carrier updates to activate. If the problem persists after DFU, you likely have hardware or provisioning issues. Contact the carrier with your IMEI or seek Apple-authorized repair. Tip: keep a loaner phone for carrier testing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.